Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing swatches of all the images on this beautiful stamping plate. It's called Back to Basics and it's from Cosedora. I'll have a link to her website in the description box of this video. I'll start off the swatches using regular nail polishes to see how well they work on these stamping plates. For the next row, I'll use this purple nail polish. Next, I'll use this blue polish, and I'm going to try to get 4 images at once. Yeah, I don't think this polish was mixed well. I'll try with another one. Let's try with this blue, and I'll do the images individually this time. That's really cool. Oh, look at all the detail in that one. I'm gonna go back to the red polish. Look at that. Now we'll try some stamping polish. And now let's flip it around for the last row. Let's try with the yellow stamping polish. I'll try some with the green stamping polish. Here's a closer look at all the images on this beautiful stamping plate. I love the great variety that you get and how cute each design is. Thank you once again to Cosedora for sending me this beautiful plate to review and share with you guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!